In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Amazon wish list on the Amazon app. So what you need to do is first obviously open up the Amazon app and log in. Now once you've done that, go to your profile icon at the bottom here, and then once you've clicked on that, it will take you to this window. Now on this window, you'll see your orders, buy again, your account, and also your lists. So go ahead and click on that. From here, you'll be able to see all of the lists that you've got created. Now we can scroll through these at the top here. Now if you want to create a new wish list, go ahead and click on the plus icon, and that will ask you for a name. So I'll call this just video for the example. Then we can create list, and here is our new wish list. We can go ahead and then invite people to this by clicking on the invite button, and you can invite someone to view it. You can then go ahead and add products to this wish list. So if you go ahead and open up a product, you can then scroll down, and here you will see add to list. Click on that, and then you can choose your wish list. So that's how to do it. I hope that quick video helped you out.